Alright, check it out. Finally got the Lawton circuit doing what it's supposed to do. I had trouble with the fact that the signal was the wrong way around, so that it was a dip rather than a spike. So what I've done here is I've run it through a little isolation transformer so that I can pick and choose which way the peak goes, so that I can actually use the signal coming out of the Lawton circuit. So here I've got 4 pulses in a train. What we're looking at there is the yellow trace is the signal coming from the Lawton circuit, and you see that across the isolation transformer doohickey that I've cobbled up there so that I can actually get the signal out of it. And the other signal is on the top of the cell, and we're not making, copious quantities of gas, but the important thing is we're making it. And I've finally got to see what it's all about when I can use this knob here to adjust the gate, like how wide the gap is. See, now we've only got 3. I tighten it up again, we'll only have 2, and then down to, can I go to 1? There we go, I can go to 1, and so I can open that back up to go 5, and so I've also got control over the width. That's how fat the signal is, and that shows up on how strong the trigger signal is there. So if I dial that up and down, I'll get a fatter, you can hear it, got the AM radio there listening in, but it doesn't need to be that fat to trigger. So yeah, you can see my current draw there in the 0.2, 0.1 amp range. And the other thing on the Lawton circuit is how close together those pips are. So if I dial that one up, I'll get closer together, and they'll fit more within the gate or the gap. So here we go, there's more fitting in the gap, and now I can change the gap to keep, if I want to keep it at, like, say 4 pulses or 3 pulses, or yeah. So Lawton circuit, finally got it working and doing what it's meant to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.